Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and I'm down in Osage, Iowa, looking at a log home down here that's got my favorite product on it, which is the Permachink Ultra 7, I believe, is on this. The garage has log siding on it, and some of the logs that are fastened on here are a little loose and need to be reattached. Got some siding down here which has come loose. Got something here that's come loose, but that's pretty easy. There's some more fascia boards here. There's a fascia board over there. That's got some deterioration. And then up on that dormer up there, the bottom log has come loose. And I think there's a couple of bottom logs up there that should be repaired. I didn't get a ladder out to get up there, but anyhow, the rest of the house, it's got a full-length porch on the front and the back, and garage on this end. It's pretty well protected. Up on top here, the logs are pretty close to the bottom of the, or to the top of the roof surface, but it looks like they're not discolored or anything. So we should be in good shape there, or they should be in good shape. See it out front here. I mean, the finish on the logs is basically fine. Needs to have some top coat on it. Out here, we got another dormer. Those logs are that's all log siding, and probably should have caulking done in the corners. I'd say there's probably a full day of caulking for 2 guys here to do all of the caulking that's necessary. So he wants us to do kind of a maintenance proposal. Send 2 guys down here for a day, and maybe you could bring along a couple of pieces of log, or at least a can of epoxy, so that we can do some repairs. So anyhow, we'll hopefully be back out here yet this year. Keep watching, folks.